In this video, I'll show you how to run your Python code on your Visual Studio terminal. Simple and easy. So there are two different ways to do that. So you can see I have this Python code here, a simple code. And to run this to see whether it's working, this is what I'm going to do. You just come here, terminal, right? And you tap on new terminal. Let's say you have no terminal appearing here. Let's say you are a newbie. So do that, terminal, new terminal. Good. You should be on a place like this. So good. So this is the folder. You see the folder is models. So now we are here. So now we need to locate to the exact file, which is the assignment we are on. So it's going to be py. That's Python. You can write Python in full or py. Let me write the Python in full so you understand it. But you can write just py. And then the assignment name.py. So I have it copied. So I'll just paste it. Assignment.py. That's the name of the file. And now you tap on enter. It should run. Good. So how many students do I want to enter? When I just start and then start running, I should enter the name Mike, and that's it. Simple and easy. And also you can do this. You can see this. There is this here. See the arrow here. This also runs the code. You get this also runs the code. This here also run the code. You can see when I put it there, you see run code. Control Alt and N, which is very much longer. So you can do it the same way. That's it on how you run your Python code on your VS Studio terminal. Simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.